Wrong wrench. Again, not sponsored by Northridge 4x4, but man, they do quick shipping. And they seem to have a lot of stuff in stock when no one else does. Ooh. Yeah. Badging. Thank you card. Yay. Destructions. Stickers. A plug. A box. Inside a box. Ooh. Bubble wrap. It's probably one of the best wrapped items I've bought in a long time, so good job, Teraflex. And the brackets. And hardware. Alright. So really not a lot of hardware with this. Plugs for the holes if you're not going to use them for accessories. Bonus. That's good. Alright, the tools we used for this. A couple extensions. 2 torque wrenches. This is an inch-pound torque wrench we used for the 15 pounds of torques. We did 12 inch-pounds equaling a foot-pound, so 12 inch-pounds times 15 gave us 180 inch-pounds. We used the larger torque wrench for the 20 pounds, T50, T20, 13, 12, ratchets, extensions. I used a body panel puller to take the plastic trim off the factory hinges. Phillips head screwdriver because I had to take the tail light guards off of the passenger side tail light. And then Teraflex does send you a T50 Allen Torx blue Loctite. Hey, it's Scott Off-Road. Little discombobulated at this point. I've got a new editing program and I'm kind of struggling through it. So, forgot to say earlier, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Getting into this project, obviously the first thing you're going to do is take off the tire, and then you're going to take off these tire covers for tailgate trim pieces. Quite straightforward project, really happy with it. Those pop off easy. Just didn't know I was going to be doing it this soon. I had figured I'd have a little bit of time before that tailgate started rattling, but those are some heavy wheels. Those are super, super thick, and if you're thinking about those, you need to consider that. This is now a one-person job to take the tire off, but pretty much a two-person job to put it back on. So yeah, you have a flat, you may be calling AAA. But I digress. And that's easy. 4 little T20s on the back of your light. And that's where your light bulb pulls out. So next time, if you do this, hold that. Light removed. By the way, That's heavy.
At least getting it off there, you just drop it down.
Yeah, it's like, boom,
Yep.
done. All right. We can use it on this. Ooh, I get to use the Cooler Than You tool. Child version. Okay, I'm not cooler than you. The Cooler Than You tool is something that Matt and I joke about. I generally just have ratchets in the garage. Matt has the impacts. Yeah, those are so much nicer to use. I'm looking at buying one of these 3/8, so he let me use it. And then he also brought the 1/2 inch with him, so we could use that as well on the project, and I could compare them. But yeah, it's nice having the right tool for the job, even if that means Matt's cooler than me. Not bad. Alright, we got the wood spacers in to hold the tailgate up. This comes out. Not sure why, but I'll trust him.
Oh, it's gonna completely cover this
That's
whole
right.
thing. You can put that on the old one.
Need something with more oomph. So the 3/8 Harbor Freight I'm Cooler Than You tool doesn't have enough oomph. So now we got to go to the 1/2 inch I'm Cooler Than You tool.
Yeah, you know they advertise at 300 and some pounds, but I don't think it is. But that thing will break your. That'll break your.
But I'm wondering, these heads aren't going to clear.
No, you have to hook them up.
Ah, hey, that's why we have you around. Yeah, about that.
Yeah, oh, it's gonna be tight.
Are we able to do it?
Yeah, it'll be tight.
We think you'll be able to get.
Oh yeah. Oh, that guard's gonna be an issue. Issue number one. Can't do it. Guard's in the way.
I gotta take my cool ass guard off? Gosh, dang
Yeah, or cut it, grind it.
Kiss mine. That sucks.
I bet it fits on my Jeep.
No.
Oh no, it won't. I'd have to grind it.
You'd already have the.
I'd have to grind it.
Yeah, so the taillight guards are causing us a slight fitment issue. I hope the other one's not causing us an issue.
The one I don't know about? I'll let you mess with it. That thing's like stuck on there. Okay. Down, down.
you Loctite that one? Or no, that one's got to
No,
come out
you just gotta
anyways.
come back out.
So now we're just supposed to check, make sure all the other ones are lined up.
Cool. Be nice to pull it this way a little bit. It could be because the gate's just slightly out. Right there.
Yeah, let's just
I'm gonna center it up. Well,
After we got everything aligned out and snugged up, we went ahead and tightened the outer bolts on the hinge and then took everything out so we could tighten the inner bolts. And what I'm doing here is I've got some imperfections in my paint.
over and set it down. I couldn't tell you how long I've had my tire carrier, my Teraflex, and it still feels tight.
That's actually the reason I bought this one, because there were other ones I could go with. I knew you ran yours for years, and I've never heard you complain once about it. It's like, ooh, I can save $100, and who knows what I get. Over torque. Oops. Go for
But older guys.
it. What did you say? Real men just lift those up, but older guys, what?
We need help. Well, mine I don't need help, but yours. How thick that is.
Yeah, that's. Well, hold on. I'm curious.
Them holes are hard to line up.
Yeah. All right. 0. $117 pounds.
Yep. It's all that damn rim.
Yeah, all wheel.
Now the part that's hard to do.
Yep. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it.
Yeah, I got it. That ain't it.
Shoot! Just want to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for putting up with the new editing program that I'm obviously struggling with, especially with the sound and the lighting. You have yourself a blessed day. Remember, you fix the Jeep fixes you.